Hello, this is a tutorial on 5.4A2, eliminating answers and eliminating impossible answers and solving problems. Now, not all of these have answers to them. A few of them do. The target really is solving problems. So let's take a look at a couple of these. Let's take a look at number 2 first. We have this pattern 21, 24, and then 27. First thing I do is look at the difference. We're going from, looks like we're going up 4 or up 3 here, so this is a plus 3. And this next one from 24 to 7, that's a plus 3. So nothing fancy there. It looks like it's just add 3. So next 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. Well, if I were to add 3, that would be 30. 3 more would be 33. And 3 more would be 36. 21. 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Another way of thinking about it is 7 times 3, 8 times 3, 9 times 3, 10 times 3, 11 times 3, and 12 times 3. Let's take a look at question number 1. Jillian has $125 to buy school clothes. She bought a sweater for $45. She bought 2 pairs of jeans for $35 each. She bought 2 headbands that cost $1.50 each. Okay, if socks are $3 per pack, how many can she buy? So basically we have to figure out what she has spent so far. And this is definitely a calculator target that you can use. So I'm just going to go ahead and I can do most of this in my head. These 2 here would be $70. These 2 here are going to be $3. And then we've got the $45. So $45 plus $70, this is going to equal $115. Now if we add in the $3 for the headbands, we're at $118. Now let's just take and double check before we get too far and make sure I got everything here. She has $125. She bought a sweater for $45. The jeans were $70, so that gives me that $115. 2 headbands were $3.50 each, so we're at $118. So if I take the $125 and I subtract the $118, looks like $7. So if socks are $3 per pack, how many can she buy? Well, she could get 2 packs. She could get 2 packs here. 2 packs. 2 packs would cost $6, and she would have $1 left over. All right. Nothing very complicated about that. I didn't even use a calculator, just working my way through. But you saw me do a number of things, going back and rereading the problem, making sure I understood what I was being asked. And so, all right, we'll do one more here. Let's do one where we have to eliminate some answers. Jesse eats an apple every day after school. We're doing number 4 here. On weekends, he eats 2 apples each day. How many apples does Jesse eat in 1 week? Where he goes to school for 5 days. He's at home for 2 days. Well, let's see. Jesse eats an apple every day after school. So that's going to be 5 times 1. So that's going to be 5 apples. On weekends, he eats 2 apples. So it looks like 9 apples. I mean, 14 apples. No, too many. 7 apples. What? The kid eats 2 on the weekends. He's hungry. I mean, I don't know if there's really too much sense and putting too much thought into trying to eliminate answers. Sometimes they're so simple you can just solve them. But I mean, this is clearly a ridiculous answer here because that's how many apples he eats just after school in and of itself. So, all right. I'll do one more. I'll do this pattern one. Kids don't like patterns very much, so I'll do it. So draw the next 2 figures in the pattern. So I'm going to make sure that I'm going to draw them over here so that I can see them as they move. Actually, I'll just use this as part of my line. Clever, huh? Yeah. This is not my first rodeo, Lair Bear. All right, so let's see. The dot started up here. Then it looked like it moved backwards to get over here. Then it moved like it moved down to get over there. Then it moved, seems like it moved that. So it seems like it's moving counterclockwise. So this one here, counterclockwise, I think it's going to move back up to this position up here. And then, it's going to move over here to this position. Let me just see if that seems right. Moves counterclockwise, so it went from like, let's say 1 o'clock to 11 o'clock, then down to 7 o'clock, then over down to 7 o'clock, then over to 5 o'clock. So yeah, it seems like it should go back up to like 1 o'clock and then to 11 o'clock. And again, I'm just thinking about a clock, with 1 o'clock here, 11 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock over here. Alrighty? Alright, good luck on the rest.